So I had to temporarily come back to the emergency room, post-op heart surgery. The clinic told me I had to come back because I was hemorrhaging too much. Blood pressure dropped, and now my blood pressure is slowly going back up. At least the top number is going back up. The bottom number is still in the 40s and 50s. But I'm believing God that I will be healed. It's a process. And I'm determined to get back to focusing and building my body and building my strength. It's freezing in here. That's why I have a blanket on my head. It is freezing. Yeah.